Branches of biology. First branch is morphology. Branch of biology related with form, shape, and structure of. Second is anatomy. Anatomy is related with internal structure of living organisms. Number 3 is histology. Histology is related with tissues of living organisms. Physiology. It is related with functions of different parts of livings. Embryology. It is related with formation and stages of development of embryo into new organism. Taxonomy. It is related with classification and scientific naming of living organisms. Cell biology. It is related with study of cells and their organelles. Paleontology. It is related with study of fossils of past organisms. Immunology. It is related with the study of defense system of body of livings. Entomology. It is related with study of insects. Genetics. It is related with the study of transmission of characters from parents to their offsprings. Biotechnology. It is related with use of organisms for the welfare of humanity. Environmental biology. It is related with the study of interrelationship of organisms and their environment. Parasitology. It is related with the study of parasites. Sociobiology. It is related with social behavior of some animals like humans, bees, ants. Pharmacology. It is related with scientific study of drugs and their effects on human body.